The Ivorian Eric Seji Zeze a least part of Kumasi Asante Kotoko problems regarding players at the end of the season. Ombetna. Unem say currently Kotoko have some trouble, some headache concerning players bia. Ome decide say omoni omo ebewie. Eric Zeze, according to Kumasi Asante Kotoko hierarchy, the administrative and the technical team, say Eric Zeze is not part of the players. I say one here at the end of the season, one here at the end of the season, or more corner or more contracts na be yes, in Fegi, no contract abewie. Richmond Lamte, a likely so obesign into Scaneba na Kotoko enya kakra. Ena okokotako senior man ankasa, which is Mukwala on the sana ni subanti obuya pa noko. Na Eric Zeze die no the woman say in 2022 August ena Nana Amponsa management assign Eric Zeze on a free agent deal. Na assign 3 years. Assign 3 years. Into 3 years no assign you know. The contract no ever running out and yet at the end of this particular season, at the end of next season 2025, you sign 2022 with 3 years in 2025 and a baby inti Kotoko on your part of Kotoko headache the patcho nkomono yenkani nchiremu ye ene May Day Kumasi Asante Kotoko awoshe weke bia happy Labor Day, first match, doctor for, lawyer for, queer for, nurse for, police for, bia. Kumasi Asante Kotoko wishimo. Na Eric Zeze asemono inchiremu woman kasano no. Enti justify your inclusion currently Kotoko in terms of senior team no. Player awa obetina awa obekono. Eric Zeze was in recent games awa bono. Was show much commitment and performance na ekoye. Nti panyifo aye say sanity and the contract no bebo awie. Nti at the end of the season likely say obetina. Either say club be beba so open na Kotoko enye ska no magem ene be manako. That's information a me say ka. We aye Kotoko player Nicholas Osebonsu ena edi ni birthday ene 1st May Kotoko awoshe no ena Mrs senior citizens yenso yenwoshe no because slay queens ne yenua no ma hodo no krama for the ba emeye omo how much more Kotoko player enti Eric Zeze situation is sanity I just say club be shown interest and I say ono abeka so obeko na at the end of season oko but in the contract ne dey aka 1 year no abo awie nchiremu a ewom no and Kotoko say oma omo problem bia omo headache bia enti saa na ekodi ya neches obo awie 2025 beda sibebre from a blog man